Did you challenge this order of 19 July 2017? Have you challenged it anywhere? On record, how the third body was covered?
नहीं, third body का कुछ
Bush,
नहीं, आयोग का statement होगा ना?
it has been recovered from the bush, your lordship.
Bush.
For some distance, my lord.
The third attempt for bail to the petitioner who stands convicted.
Minute, please, Your Lordship. Two appellants were there in this case who have been convicted. Judgment was passed on 16 Nagendra Singh and Lalti Devi. I have filed IA on behalf of Lalti Devi for bail, who is aged about 72 years. And in the judgment, the finding of the court is that from paragraph 36 that this case is based on circumstantial evidence. There is no, admittedly, there is no eyewitness in this case. And appellant number one was allowed bail by order dated, that is there in before your lordship, by order dated serial number 5, order dated 19/7/17. 19/7/17, my lord.
Two persons were released. There were 3 people who were murdered. The lady. Yes, what do you have to say?
Your lordship. 3 murder, your lordship, in this case. Informant's father, mother.
Did
and
you
the-
challenge this order of 19 July 2017? Have you challenged it anywhere?
No, your lordship.
This Gorakh Singh expired, na?
Yes.
And 3 persons. What about the third body? Was it recovered at the
There is
your
nothing
instance?
that is nothing mentioned.
Has
there
it
in-
come on record how the third body was
No.
covered?
नहीं, third body का कुछ
Bush,
नहीं, आयोग का statement होगा
it
ना?
has been recovered from the bush, your lordship.
Bush.
For some distance, my lord.
2 bodies were thrown
From the
headless
well.
from the bed, and on the statement of Gorakh Singh, heads were recovered, husband of this, and they were living as tenant. So far, role of this, she just happened to be a wife of a criminal, and that's why she faced this carnation for such a long time. If husband would have been good, she would have enjoyed the life. But just because no role has been played by her on her statement, nothing was recovered. I went through very minutely about in the judgment. Nothing has been said about the role. वो टेनेंट थी, उसके साथ बस उस घर में थी, और वो बात कर रहे थे बेचने की इससे, गोरख सिंह से, कि हम बेचेंगे इसको, घर को बेचेंगे, और वो he was dealing in land selling and purchasing. The deceased, this has also come. ये उसकी वाइफ थी, जरूर एडमिटेड है कि गोरख सिंह की बीवी थी, वही फेस करिए 7 बरस से जेल में है, 72 साल हो गया है, इसका उम्र 72 साल है, एंड शी इज इन कस्टडी माय लॉर्ड।
Since custody
सिंस माय लॉर्ड, सिंस
Date of conviction.
it is mentioned 20/22/16 in the order it is mentioned, my lord.
No, but what is the total period of incarceration?
Total period has come to 7 years plus 7. It's about 7 years, not completed 7 years, because the judgment is dated, my lord, 16.
It is exactly 7 years now.
No, but during trial she was on bail or not?
She was on bail.
Well, that comes for the appellant, petitioner as well as the learned APP. This is the third attempt for bail to the petitioner who stands convicted. If he stands convicted, it is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is an old lady. What is the age?
On the date of judgment, she was 65 years plus 7, 72.
Aged about 72 years old. The appellant number 1 has already been
Yes.
granted bail, whereas the petitioner's implication is based on the statement of, the petitioner's conviction is based on the statement of her husband, which has led to recovery, and only under such circumstances she is suffering incarceration for now nearly 7 years.
Yes.
And APP has opposed the prayer. It is submitted that earlier also the prayer has been rejected. She is not, however, in a position to deny the fact that the other convicts have been allowed bail to stop.
One Goraknath is expired, Your Lordship. And so far as concerned, Nagendra Singh has been allowed.
Other convict.
Other convict, yes. Considering the rival submissions, court is inclined to allow the prayer.